Hey everybody, doing a quick video here. It's kind of late at night. Got some I've been putting off. Nothing important, but just cleaning up a little bit. Just been sitting here. What we got here is a Sargent KIK cylinder. I went to a property quite a while ago. Actually, a place that I go every once in a while. They a lot of times have me do their rekeys when stores close, but they were trying to change something out, and somehow the cylinder ended up upside down like this. They just left it in a realtor box for me, and I went out there and I just swapped it because I have a bunch of hardware that they actually sent me. So I just swapped it out and tossed this in the truck to eventually see what they did to it and fix it and throw it back into their stock that I carry around. So basically just going to be repinning it. So we got our pinning kit here. And first thing will be to take the cap off. Tools out here. Wiser cap tool is a pretty awesome tool. And notice it's upside down, so I'm just going to leave it that way. Get the cap out, spring, and so it's just sliding out. So looks like we've got we'll jump one of the key pins out, so 5 key pins in it. Oh, that's what's all just came out of it, so I don't have a freaking clue what happened to this. Looks like it was trying to be 0-bitted is what it almost looks like, because these look like I bet that's that looks like what this is. It was 0-bitted, so it would just turn without a key in it. It's got 5 drivers and 5 key pins, but they were all in the plug. So I'm just going to pin it up to their key. They were trying to do when things went south. So I'll need some springs. Or a spring, and take a look at the board here where Sargent is right there. So need a 185 driver pin and a spring, and should be able to just pin it up here. So I'm gonna grab it. Follower. Tweezers. And we'll go ahead and load it up real quick. Alright, so we're in good shape there. And here's our key. So Sargent key. And just pin this guy up real quick here. Might take me a second. Actually, I don't deal with Sargent a whole lot. I don't have all the depths memorized like I do on common stuff I see, like Schlag and Quickset, and I guess that's about all I ever see a lot of. So this is their key that they provided me. Alright, there we go. I'll just put it back together here. Alright, so anyway, that works. I got some more cylinders too that These are all quick set cylinders. I don't ever think they're all keyed the same. These are all, I guess, probably end up on my Lock Sport channel picking it. You know, 3 of these are new, and then that one has been used, obviously. But they're all the same key. So I'll link to that channel, because I'll probably end up picking one of these and then just cutting a key one of these days. But I will put a link. If you like this stuff, you can subscribe. You know, do some more locksmithing stuff. And that'll do it for now then, and we'll talk to everybody later.